Yo, what is going on today, fam? And so we're back again, and I just wanted to share something dope with y'all. I had this idea for myself, and then I realized, and then my little brother's birthday was coming up. I was like, man, like what would be a dope gift for a car guy, you know, but something that doesn't like break the bank, you know, like besides buying them car parts, obviously, like for their car. But I came up with this. So I got this Dickies work shirt right here, and I got a bunch of different patches that I ordered along with custom name tapes. And so this is mine right here. This says book, and this is my little brother's name right here, well, his nickname, which is RJ. So I got this like inspiration and from one of my favorite rappers, Currency, music video. So it was a music video with him and Young Dolph, which I'll throw that in right here.
I just motivate all the hustlers, especially the dealers, all my bitches.
And as you can see, Young Dolph was wearing a mechanic shirt, and it had his name up on it, and then it had like the Rolls Royce like dealership sign on it. I was like, yo, that would make a cool gift for any car guy. So this is what I came up with. So I bought the shirt, and for my little brother, I got the name tag. So that's gonna go like that. And then he's also in the Hondas. So I got the Honda joint right there. And then as you can see, that just looks super dope. I'm gonna get it sewn on, which that shouldn't be too expensive at all. So this is a great budget gift for any car guy. And so the shirt looks super dope, super stylish. You know, it'll be something that they're proud to wear, like to the little car meets and shows and things of that nature. So it's gonna be super dope. But I'm gonna show you like just how versatile this is. So obviously, you could go with a Honda logo or your favorite like automaker's logo or the person you're getting the shirt for, or you can go with something like this, Shell logo, and it adds that bit of pop to it, which is super duper dope. There's a bunch of different ones. I mean, it works for all of them. Like, got the Castro logo. That's really cool. You know, like whoever's name you want to put, that's really dope, man. And I think this is a thoughtful gift that anybody would be happy to get. So all in all, and so the shirt on Amazon was like 13 bucks. These different, I think the name tags, they were like $3 or $4 each. And then the assorted patches, I ordered these between Amazon and eBay, but I will link all this stuff and where I bought it from, and so you guys can buy the stuff also. But I mean, I don't think you can beat this. Like, this is a really dope gift. I think my little brother is going to like it. I'm not going to release this video until after he gets it, like just 'cause I don't want him to see it, but I think he's definitely gonna like it. So I'm super stoked up on this, man. But like, let me know what y'all think, and I hope this helps y'all out. But as always, man, please do like and subscribe. I mean, this is a little bit out of the ordinary of the content that I produce, but I thought it was worth sharing. So take it easy. I'm out. And here is the final product back from the alteration shop. As you can see, the patches are now sewed on nice and neatly. I like it. It looks very dope. So I'm gonna get this out to my little brother today. It should make it there by his birthday. I also got this little letter I'm going to include. It says, RJ, I'm extremely proud of the young man you have become. I see great potential in you, and I know you will reach it. Continue to push yourself to be better than you were the day before. You are a multi-talented young brother. I love you, man. Happy 20th birthday from Braxton. So yeah, it's gonna be super dope. I'm gonna get my mom to record it when she gives it to him. So we'll see his reaction, hopefully. So if it's a good reaction and we know it's a dope gift, if he's just like, man, this shit's trash, then we know maybe not the best gift to give to your loved one, but I guess we'll see. So just stay tuned.
Pick up your present. From Braxton.
Oh. What is it? This is. Okay. Oh, that is sweet. Everything is sweet. Yo, got that JDM emblem on there. Honda. Oh yeah, I definitely got. Oh, it got my name on it. It got my name on it too. Oh. I can't fit it, but yo, this is cool, yo. Thank you. Name on it. And got the Honda emblem, you know. Thank you. I appreciate it.